You don't have to be a critical thinker to understand the absurdity of comparing public health measures in the midst of a global pandemic to the systematic murder of 6 million Jews.
Continued concern stemming from an anti-COVID-19 measures rally which took place right here in Calgary over the weekend. Pictures of protesters wearing a Star of David around their neck with the words "mask exempt," a Holocaust connection few are willing to tolerate.
This is offensive, bordering on hateful to our community.
It's the latest in what many who watch and study these rallies say is a growing trend away from voicing anger towards public health measures towards other agendas.
This is something that's being used by white supremacy groups, conspiracy theorists, anti-government folks to widen their ranks. And I think the more inaction, the more emboldened they feel.
But some have argued this is just artistic self-expression.
Art can be on any poster at any given moment, at any given demonstration, in order to show a message of pain and suffering and frustration that otherwise couldn't be articulated.
Appropriating symbols of one of the worst genocides in human history to public health measures is not art. It's stupidity, it's ignorance, it's hateful.
In an effort to stem the tide of hatred from torches and Nazi salutes to Confederate flags and violence, like this video of a man wearing a Proud White Christian Man t-shirt punching a counter-protester this weekend, there have been calls for leaders to give police more power to investigate and charge hate crimes. But that would likely be something that needs to be decided by the Supreme Court.
Walking around and giving Nazi salutes, having Nazi symbols on your shirt, how much further do we need to go before we can all agree that that's a symbol of hate?
In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.